If your Sunbeam heating pad starts flashing a red light or shows an F error code, it's warning you that something isn't functioning correctly. In most cases, this points to overheating protection, a sensor issue, or a loose connection between the controller and the pad. The good news is that many of these problems can be resolved quickly. Start with a full reset, unplug the heating pad from the wall outlet, and leave it disconnected for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the internal safety sensors to cool down and reset. After waiting, plug the unit directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or power strips, as they can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger error signals. Next, inspect the entire power cord carefully. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors, or damage where the controller attaches to the pad. Even minor wear can interrupt communication between components. Also, make sure the heating pad is laid completely flat. Folding, bunching, or sitting on the pad can activate built-in safety sensors and cause flashing lights. If the issue continues, let the pad cool down fully before trying again. For digital models, refer to your manual to interpret specific error symbols. You can also disconnect and firmly reconnect the controller to ensure a secure fit. Some models include a resettable internal fuse. Check your manual for instructions. Remember, Sunbeam pads are designed for gentle therapeutic warmth and include an automatic 3-hour shutoff for safety. If errors persist after troubleshooting, contact customer support rather than attempting internal repairs.